Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Hey, I'm out here working on a reverse flow, and I'm just gonna try to start doing videos a little different, showing what's going on day to day. Cause man, I haven't been getting videos up in a while, and I really need to get some up. So anyway, we're gonna try to do them a little different. Maybe not the whole project at one time. It's gonna be several different projects the way I actually work on them. But right now, what we're doing is working on a reverse flow. This is a vertical chamber for it. I'm about to get done welding it up so we can go out and cut it, all the stuff on the back of it and everything. But it's almost welded out. Once I get it welded out, I'm gonna draw all the stuff out on the back and get it cut out. And then I got the main chamber over here cut out. I need to get it put together. A lot of stuff to get done today. I'm probably gonna go ahead and cut out another one of these. I've got 3 or 4 of these to do, so I may start cutting them out. It's kind of messing me up having to use this other plasma because all my templates are cut for the HTP plasma. And now that it's down, I hadn't sent it back to get it fixed yet. I need to hurry up and do that. But it's a different offset, so the templates I have don't actually work with that plasma because it's too wide. So it's slowing me down, so I'm having to cut a lot of stuff out by hand again. I'm telling you, templates on plasma, so much faster. I can just cut them out just back to back to back. So anyway, I'm fixing to get done welding this. Like I say, we're gonna cut it out. It's still real early, so I can't make a whole lot of noise. That weld machine ain't real loud. And then after we get it cut out, we're gonna start cutting out another smoker, start cutting out another fire pit, start putting that chamber together, a whole bunch of stuff. So anyway, let's get to it. All right, so here I'm just getting going, finishing out the welds on this vertical chamber. Once we get it done, we'll be able to move it around and start getting the other chamber done. This 1/4-inch steel running this HTP on it. I'm set somewhere around 19.6, 19.7 possibly. Just laying out the cutouts on the back of it now. This is actually the template I used to cut out the ends with the plasma. And I just set it back up there because that end is actually what's fitting to the back of that chamber. I didn't have the circle vent for the back side of that, so I had to come over here and get it cut, and I need to cut this 1/4-inch up that was already on the table first. So here I'm just cutting out for the next pit. That 1/4-inch is too heavy to just get it on and off the table all the time. Just straight edging with the plasma, getting the marks set up, clamping it down. This little plasma's been doing okay. I mean, it cuts good, but it burns consumables up fast. I mean, really fast. As long as you got new consumables in there, it cuts real nice. They wear out fast. Just the end piece, drawing it out and cutting it because I can't trace it now with the plasma. don't fit my template again. So just getting that done before I take it off the table. I know what's going to get cut out of it, so I go ahead and cut it, even though it won't get used for probably another 2 smokers. This is the plate to cut the circle vents out. I'll probably do some of the sides of the fire pit while I have it up there. I'm still messing with this circle burner. It's the one I was using on the old plasma, and it fits different on here. So I'm having to readjust stuff on it, and I probably got it lined out now, but that tip keeps touching the plate on the circle while I'm doing circles. And I think that's one reason it's burning the tip up so fast. I put a little guide on it, and it seems to be helping a lot. I'm just doing 2, so I'll have one for the next one ready whenever I get going on it. Sometimes I'll do 4 or 5 at a time. Go ahead and drill the hole where it goes. That way you can set it up there and just trace out that cutout in it. flipping it over so I can go ahead and cut this side down here. Normally I would just blow through both pieces of plate at the same time, but with this plasma, it don't like blowing through two pieces at once. It will do it, but it blows it pretty good double. So what I'm doing, I got my punch mark set up. I'm just drilling pilot holes in it through both of them at the same time. That way I can still get the same cuts on them, just doing them one at a time. I've been using these Black Hawk grinding blades from Empire Abrasives. I like those quite a bit. Pretty good price on them. Getting the vent on before I stand it up. You can put it on afterwards, but it's a lot easier to do it while it's laying flat. Pushed it out of the way and now getting the main chamber done. While I was welding it out, I was cutting out the angle and stuff for the slides at the same time. A lot of times I'll do that. I'll weld about half of it and then do some other stuff, let the machine cool down a little bit and finish welding it out. And sometimes I just save it for the night because it's not that loud or early in the morning. Alright, trying to get both of them put together. Using a long ratchet strap to help hold it in place because that vertical chamber is just hanging in the air. This is the smokestack for the horizontal chamber. It only needs to be 3-sided because it's going to weld up against the side of the chamber. You could use regular tubing though if you want it. I skipped ahead here and went ahead and got this door lined out. I'm taking it off now. I clean all the inside and everything up. And here I'm cutting out for a second stack. They don't usually come with both stacks on it. Sometimes people want it on there. It will let you use it as a traditional flow smoker. But you could actually do on these by putting fire in the horizontal chamber and smoking into the vertical chamber if you wanted to. And that'll pretty much wrap this one up, y'all.